In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Motorola phone is not charging all of a sudden. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that your charger and the cable that you are using are working properly. So the best way to do this is to try them on another phone and see if they work. Another thing you need to do is check the USB port on your Motorola phone. So if there is a visible dust or any other particle that's preventing the cable from going all the way in, you need to clean it with a brush like this. So try cleaning it gently and try to remove any dust or other particles. Make sure you don't use anything sharp such as this. Try to use a toothpick or a toothbrush like this, and then try to plug the charger back in again. However, if this doesn't work, go to the settings app on your phone. Now here scroll down and then tap on battery. Now here you need to disable a couple of options first. So go to this optimize charging option first and make sure this option is disabled, as it can sometimes cause problems. Next you need to go to this overcharge protection option and make sure to turn off this as well, otherwise it won't let your phone charge after 80%. So make sure to turn both these off. Now try plugging the charger back in one more time and then see if your phone is charging. However, if this doesn't help, what you can do is shut down your Motorola phone. So press the volume up and the side button once and you will see this menu. Simply select power off and then wait for your phone to shut down completely. Once it is off, plug the charger back in and then see if it charges when it's completely off. So this might take a few seconds. So as you can see, there is the charging icon, which means that the phone is charging in this mode without any issues. If this works, you can leave the charger plugged in and then press and hold the side button to turn on your Motorola phone. So the phone is now on and it is still charging as usual. And the last thing you need to do is open the app drawer on your Motorola phone and then find this device help app. It comes pre-installed and it's from Motorola itself. Now here go to this health check option and then tap on get started. Now here you will see these results. So you need to look for battery life and battery temperature and make sure they are both showing a green check mark. If you see a yellow or a red check mark, it means there is an issue with the battery. In that case, you need to get your phone repaired. If it's under warranty, Motorola should fix it for completely free. But if it's out of warranty, you need to get the battery replaced to fix the problem.